Hi everyone! If you're just starting in electronics or want to refresh your basics, today's video is perfect for you. Have you ever seen one of these in an electronics project? This is a breadboard, one of the most beginner-friendly tools in electronics. Today we're breaking down what a breadboard is, how it works, and how to use it. Let's get started. 1. What is a breadboard? A breadboard is a plastic board filled with tiny holes where you can insert wires and electronic components to quickly build and test circuits. The beauty of breadboards is that they don't require soldering, meaning you can experiment, modify, or dismantle your circuits easily. They're reusable, portable, and essential for prototyping electronic projects. 2. How does a breadboard work? Now let's understand how a breadboard is structured internally. I-terminal strips. The center area of the breadboard is called the terminal strip, where most of your components go. Here, the holes are connected vertically in small groups, usually 5 holes per column. 2. Power rails on both sides of the breadboard. You'll see long rows marked with and. These are called power rails. All the holes in each power rail are connected horizontally. The rail is typically used for positive voltage, and a negative rail for ground, ND. When you plug a wire or a component lead into a hole, it connects to the metal strip below, making it easy to complete a circuit without soldering. 3. Types of breadboard. Full-size breadboard. A full-size breadboard is a large breadboard with around 831,000 T-points. It's used for bigger, more complex circuits and has enough space for microcontrollers and multiple components. It's ideal for advanced projects where you need a lot of connections and power rails. 2. Half-size breadboard. A half-size breadboard is a smaller breadboard with about 400 T-points. It's great for medium-sized projects and fits easily on a desk, offering enough space for basic circuits. A mini breadboard. A mini breadboard is a compact breadboard with about 170 T-points. It's perfect for small projects or testing simple circuits. IV self-adhesive breadboard. A self-adhesive breadboard has a sticky back, allowing it to be attached to surfaces. It's useful for portable projects or when you need to save space. The solderable breadboard. A solderable breadboard is a board where you can solder components for permanent connections, ideal for turning prototypes into stable, long-lasting circuits. 4. Breadboard in series circuits. In a series circuit, components are connected end to end, so the same current flows through each one. On a breadboard, you can connect components in series by using the same column for their leads, creating a continuous path. 5. Breadboard in parallel circuits. In a parallel circuit, components are connected to the same voltage but have separate current paths. On a breadboard, you can achieve this by connecting components across the same power rail, but in different columns. 6. Why use a breadboard? Why is the breadboard so popular? It's simple, no soldering needed. You can quickly build and modify circuits, reusable. Use it for multiple projects, perfect for beginners. It's a safe and easy way to learn electronics. 6. Tips for using a breadboard. Here are some quick tips for breadboarding. 1. Use jumper wires to make neat connections. Color code your wires to avoid confusion. 3. Double-check your connections to prevent short circuits. 4. Start simple and build up your circuit step by step. Breadboards are your first step into the exciting world of electronics. Whether you're building series circuits, parallel circuits, or something more complex, a breadboard makes it all possible. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow beginners.